We designed 4 clusters of buildings, totaling a 15 number of buildings that provide studios, 1 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, and up to 3 bedrooms townhouses, which provide swimming pools, play areas for the kids, and as well as gyms for each cluster. Currently, we have over 2,200 apartments in total. There is plans maybe in the future to do more, but we can't disclose much details at the moment since we are in a transition phase from the Expo 2020 to District 2020, where District 2020 is becoming a central hub for new tech industries, and that's what we are transitioning to now. It is very well connected. There's a dedicated metro line to the area that was built for the Expo 2020, and it does serve the area as well. There's plenty of highways connected to the community, and the furthest you can drive is 30 minutes to downtown.